It would only take one incident for that whole building to be a disaster.
This family won't step inside the seniors complex.
So they're wondering why it's still letting visitors inside, considering how vulnerable the population is to COVID-19. A woman whose mother lives at this apartment says they're not putting physical distancing measures in place, and they're still allowing small coffee gatherings, despite contacting them about her concerns a month ago.
Angela Lam's 83-year-old mother received this letter from management at Westburn Place on Tuesday, which included an encouragement that friends and family should only visit when absolutely necessary, and they must go straight to a residence suite.
She can go onto her little balcony, and then we can call up or hold up little messages from her great-grandchildren at a great distance, which is a comfort to her. But then she turns around and hears people going around the hallways and people who scoff at the guidelines.
Lam, who doesn't want to reveal her mother's identity for fears she'll be ostracized, says she called about the coffee gatherings in a common area and was told the building could not stop residents from meeting. In an email she sent Wednesday, Lam notes nursing homes are being decimated by the pandemic, and this building's residents have vulnerable immune systems. The property advertises itself as a senior residence with low-income suites. It is not a long-term care center where Alberta Health orders would prohibit visitors. In a statement, Alberta Health says with separate suites, there is a lower risk than in continuing care centers. The facility is more similar to any other apartment complex, and so it must follow all the existing public health measures in place. It adds, this is not the time for visiting friends or having communal get-togethers. The owner didn't want to speak with City News on camera, but replied to Lam after. An email explains they've canceled all services and gatherings, and a professional cleaning company sterilizes all surfaces in common areas for an hour and a half every day. But that's not enough for Lam, who says residents need more than a gentle nudge.
They don't necessarily agree about the social measures, or they don't even know. She had a friend in the building who thought COVID-19 meant 19 people had died.
In Calgary, Crystal Lederis, City News.